CZAR KAISER.
Hey guys, it's your boy CZAR KAISER, and today I'm gonna give a quick review on the new 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. The Tuono V4 is arguably one of the greatest street motorcycles on the market. It's a hyper-naked bike that has a top speed of approximately 155 miles per hour and gets its race feel DNA from Aprilia sport bike heritage, but reworking it into a more practical performance motorcycle for everyday riding. This bike comes with a price tag of $19,000, and for 2020, the new Tuono V4 gets attractive new graphics, carbon fiber bodywork, and the most advanced electronic suspension system available on the market. There's a lot to learn about this bike, but before we get into that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews. Leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the new Tuono V4 1100 Factory, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content, and definitely check out my online store where you can buy some cool motorcycle accessories and apparel. Alright, so yeah, let's get right back into it. The new 2020 Tuono V4 1100 Factory comes available in one color option that's called Atomic Racer. This bike weighs 209 kilograms and has a compact wheelbase of 145 centimeters. The Tuono V4 has a seat height of 825 millimeters and a ground clearance of 4.9 inches. With a large fuel tank capacity of 18.5 liters, this bike is sure to go the distance, with a fuel consumption of 7.7 liters for every 100 kilometers. The design of the Tuono V4 1100 Factory packs a vicious punch, from its red, green, and black design all the way down to its blacked out wheels and its magnificent tail fairing. This exclusive styling is sure to get a lot of attention anywhere you ride. The new V4 1100 gets a healthy dose of carbon fiber bodywork that extends to the front mudguard, engine cover, and side panels. The Tuono V4 is powered by a 1077cc liquid-cooled 4-cylinder 4-stroke engine that puts out 175 horsepower and 121 Nm of torque. This bike has made it to a 6-speed transmission with a quick shifter, and also the latest generation ride-by-wire engine management system. When it comes to electronics, the Tuono V4 has it all, including traction control, wheelie control, launch control, cruise control, cornering ABS, a pit speed limiter, and multiple riding modes. This bike comes with a 4.3-inch full-color TFT display that's easy to use and allows the user to adjust any riding function with ease. In addition to this, the multimedia platform ensures the rider can analyze performance anytime while keeping your bike and smartphone linked together. Suspension on this bike is handled by class-leading, semi-active electronic suspension from Öhlins, which intuitively adjusts your suspension settings depending on your personal riding habits. It comes with completely adjustable spring preload, compression, and rebound damping that provide 120 millimeters of front suspension travel. At the back is a double-braced aluminum swing arm and an Öhlins monoshock absorber that provides 130 millimeters of rear suspension travel. The new Tuono V4 1100 Factory sits on 17-inch aluminum cast wheels with a 3-split spoke design. The braking system on this bike is handled by two 330mm discs at the front with Brembo monoblock calipers. At the back is a single 220mm disc with a Brembo caliper and Bosch ABS. Aprilia created the Tuono V4 1100 Factory to deliver a real race bike experience in a hyper-naked package for riders who want to actually go beyond the parking lot and hit the local racetrack. This bike brings a genuine race bike experience no matter where you ride. The Tuono V4 1100 Factory is a serious bike for serious riders. So yeah, that's about it for the new 2020 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what you think about the bike. Do you like the new style and design? Do you think this bike is worth the price tag? Are you a fan of Aprilia motorcycles? Let me know your thoughts down below. I respond to every comment, so definitely let me know down below in the comment section. Also, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more daily motorcycle news and reviews, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You can also follow me on Instagram where I post daily motorcycle content. Alright, that's it for now, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.
CZAR KAISER.